Emco and Manfred Heindel, the specialists in model construction, present Unimat 1, the module system for 6 and more machines. 4 single components comprise the jigsaw. It is completely safe due to the special design and short blade stroke. The saw is ideal for exact filigree cutting work and is safe for children. Based on the short up and down movement of the saw, skin only vibrates and is not injured. The saw cuts wood, not woodworkers. For the working of metal, plastics, plywood, or massive wood. For the carpenter, there is the bandsaw. And for the model builder, the Unimat 1 jigsaw. The Unimat 1 module system. The jigsaw is modified to a metal turning lathe. With the machine bed, longitudinal and lateral slides plus the turning tool, gears with a 3-jaw chuck. For longer work pieces, there's the tailstock, and of course, the motor. The lathe with the fixed workpiece. Settings to 1/10 of a millimeter on the adjustment wheel allow for precision work. Large industrial lathes for every requirement. For the model builder, the small Unimat 1 lathe. Artistic work with the Unimat 1. Curved cuttings, as with this model, are carried out by hand. Within seconds, the machine can be modified to a wood-turning lathe. Hand tool rest instead of lateral slides. Drivers instead of 3-jaw chucks. Longitudinal wood turning with the Unimat 1. Different than with the metal turning lathe, the chisel here is controlled by hand. What can be easily learned on the Unimat 1 lathe can be later applied to large turning lathes. Rings are especially impressive in wood turning work. Just one more piece of sanding paper and the masterpiece is complete. A beautiful piece of oak. Faceplate turning. The wood piece is screwed tight on the turning disc and can be worked both inside and outside. Knotwood is particularly beautiful for cups, plates, goblets, or trophies. Exquisite model workings, such as this historical turner's workshop, demand exact lathing work. This is no problem for the Unimat 1. The motor is positioned below to double the turning speed. The hollow spindle axis allows the working of very long work pieces. Only a calm hand is needed and the smallest of worked objects result. Precision and elegance in detail characterize such charming models. Even wood as thick as an arm can be worked. The machine is newly equipped and expanded. The Unimat 1 module system makes it possible. The horizontal milling machine is installed with a machine bed and longitudinal slide, second bed and lateral slide, third slide, headstock, milling head, a 6mm standard tool, and a special vise which is also suitable for round workpieces. Professional model construction begins with horizontal milling. Three slides enable three-dimensional working. Special profiles, which only normally large milling machines can fabricate, can now also be done at home. Also possible is the grinding of workpieces at a pre-given angle. The same components assembled in a different way provide a vertical milling machine. Especially important to note is that the headstock can be fixed in any desired angle. With the supplied tools, it is also possible to work plastic. The next machine is the Unimat 1 vertical drill, which can be slanted or straight, just like the milling machine. The drill is inserted, and using the drilling table or the vise, the drilling lever enables fast drilling work. As with all of the other machines, a wide variety of materials can be worked. Soft metals, noble metals, sheet metal, printing plates, as well as plastics and wood. With just a simple adaptation, the Unimat 1 can become a handheld drill, and small repair work can be easily carried out. Whenever a hole has to be drilled, or if something has to be ground, brushed, notched, or polished, all tools with a shaft diameter of up to 6 millimeters can be used with the supplied collets. The sixth possible use with the Unimat 1 is for grinding work, either by hand, which is ideal for the final touch of models, or stationary, when exact working angles or precision of up to 1/10 of a millimeter is demanded. Unimat 1. There are no limits to creativity with this module system. Unimat 1. 6 times precision in one single machine. An Austrian quality product by Manfred Heindel, developed by EMCO. It is the module system that is new with this machine. This is the reason why the Unimat 1 has received prizes at every international invention fair. Unimat 1, the complete module system in one kit. The machine bed is a highly precise aluminum profile, a strong 12-volt motor, the gears with maintenance-free steel ball bearings, 3 slides for 3-dimensional work, a tailstock, clamping devices, intermediate pieces, a set of woodworking tools for sawing, wood turning, and sanding work, screwdriver and Allen key for machine change, the connecting elements, turning disc, clamping vise, collets from 0.5 to 6 millimeters, 3 jaw chucks, and all tools for sawing, wood and metal turning, milling, drilling, and grinding work. And the machines are simply set up in this way. The intermediate piece is inserted into the guide of the aluminum profile. The desired machine is then attached to the intermediate piece using a fastening screw which bends and presses the 2 machine parts together. This is the procedure for all of the shown machines. Now, for the sake of review, one box contains the equipment for 6 machines for sawing, metal turning, wood turning, milling, drilling, and grinding. Sawing, metal turning, wood turning, milling, drilling, and grinding. The enclosed instruction book offers something for everyone, even to the making of gears, for use in cars, boats, and furniture, from technical models to toys, from very demanding work to very simple constructions. Unimat 1 for professional demands, using a specially developed security transformer. And, of course, with the abundant accessories, there are numerous expansion possibilities. From practical tool sharpening equipment to professional components for girth gears. From double fixings for more precision, up to step motors and software for PC control. Unimat 1, the smallest of the CNC machines, the largest of the model-making machines, awarded with numerous prizes. Unimat 1, Austrian quality from Manfred Heindel.